Over the past several days, western Pennsylvania is starting to look and feel a bit more like the tundras as Arctic air came in on the backside of Sunday's snowstorm. Today is an impact day as wind chills will level off close to zero after starting sub-zero this morning. It's going to be a little blustery as well as winds kick up anywhere from 25 to even 30 miles per hour. Then we plunge even deeper into this cold air, record-setting cold possible Friday and Saturday. That leads us to severe weather alert days. These are going to be the actual temperatures as you kick off the day Friday and Saturday. -7 on Friday, 6 degrees below zero on Saturday. Both of those forecast lows would best the record, which is 5 below. Actually, both days also set in the same year back in 2019. So we'll be watching that as we look towards the weekend. Then looking ahead in your 4-day plus 4 more forecast, a little bit of a mini thaw coming next week. Don't get overly excited, but you will notice a change in the air coming for the early days of February. Right now, 2 degrees is your real feel in Pittsburgh, thanks to a calm wind, closer to zero in Washington and Cranberry. Meanwhile, 12 degrees below zero, your real feel in Monroeville. Also for Somerset, 16 degrees below zero is the wind chill for Newcastle right now. We are still under a cold weather advisory until 11 o'clock this morning. We'll do it all over again later on tonight, beginning at 7 o'clock this evening, taking us through 11 a.m. on Thursday. Is very similar to right now. Our wind chills to kick off your Thursday will be anywhere from 10 to even 15 degrees below zero. Again, we ramp things up to severe weather alert days with back-to-back potentials for challenging record low temperatures Friday and Saturday. Even those high temperatures not too nice, only close to 12 as we head into the weekend. Here's another look of action cam over the city of Pittsburgh. Just looks cold downtown, also on the North Shore. And of course, we are continuing to monitor the ice situation on all 3 rivers as more of that ice will be building over the course of the next week. Here's Futurecast. Clouds are going to fill back in as we go throughout the day. And as the wind picks up, I wouldn't be surprised if we squeeze out a few flurries. I'm not overly impressed with the coverage. I don't think it's going to be quite to the extent that we saw yesterday, but still some of those flurries could be flitting by, especially to the Laurel Highlands this afternoon. Later on this evening, winds going to calm down. Again, those biting wind chills tomorrow morning will introduce some sunshine into the second half of Thursday. More clearing again takes us to the possibility of a record low for a severe weather alert day on Friday. Checking out low temperatures elsewhere across western Pennsylvania. Just about everybody waking up with a temperature that will be below zero. A light breeze will even pull those temperatures back farther as we could be talking about wind chills around 10 degrees below zero. Get on record low watch again on Saturday. We'll close out the weekend with an impact day. Then your 4-day plus 4 more forecast, 24 on Groundhog Day, and temperatures are looking up. How about a balmy 29 by this time next week?